The giants of the camera industry have a secret, and it's one they've been trying to keep under wraps since the release of the Z9. For years, the Nikon Z7 series has been the intellectual's choice, the high-resolution beast that landscape and studio photographers swore by. But then the world changed. Sony pushed the boundaries of AI autofocus. Canon doubled down on speed, and for a moment, the Z7 line felt like it was frozen in time. But as we sit here in 2026, the silence is about to be broken in the most violent way possible for the competition. The Nikon Z7 III is no longer a rumor. It is a looming shadow over the mirrorless market, and the leaked specifications are so aggressive that they are making professionals rethink their entire loyalty to other brands. If you are a photographer, or if you've been waiting for the perfect high-res body before upgrading, you need to listen to every word of this. We are witnessing the birth of a camera that doesn't just capture images. It redefines the physics of light and the speed of logic. Why now? Why has Nikon waited so long? To understand the Z7 III, you have to understand the XP7 legacy and the transition to the new XP8 architecture. The rumors coming out of the supply chain in Japan suggest that Nikon isn't just giving us a sensor refresh. They are giving us a brain transplant. The Z7 III is rumored to feature a brand new 61.2 megapixel stacked sensor. Now let that sink in. For years, high resolution meant slow readout. It meant rolling shutter issues. It meant the camera struggled to keep up with fast action. But the stacked architecture in the Z7 III, technology filtered down directly from the flagship Z9 and the Z8, means that the era of compromise is officially dead. You are looking at a camera that can fire off 20 frames per second at full 60 megapixel resolution with zero EVF blackout. This isn't just a landscape camera anymore. This is a sports camera disguised as a studio masterpiece. But the sensor is only half the story. The real Sony killer feature is the AI integration. In the US market, we've seen a massive shift toward computational photography. Nikon has been watching, and the Z7 III is reportedly debuting the Deep Learning Scene Recognition 2.0. We're talking about autofocus that doesn't just find a human eye. It recognizes the difference between a bird's wing and a bird's beak from 200 yards away. It recognizes the silhouette of a mountain biker through a forest of trees and locks on with a level of stickiness that we've only seen in $5,000 flagship bodies. For the wedding photographers in New York or the wildlife shooters in the Rockies, this is the difference between a missed shot and a career-defining moment. Let's talk about the 1%ers. The features that sound small but change everything. The leaks suggest a new global shutter-like electronic mode. While it's not a full global shutter like the Sony A9 III, Nikon is rumored to have achieved a readout speed so fast that flash sync is possible at 1/8000 th of a second without a mechanical shutter. This is the holy grail for fashion photographers. No more mechanical parts to wear out. No more shutter shock. Just pure, silent, indestructible performance. And for the video shooters, this is where Nikon is finally coming for the crown. 8K 60 frames per second NRAW internal. In a body this size, it's almost a thermal impossibility. Yet the leaks suggest a revolutionary new carbon fiber heatsink design that allows for unlimited 4K recording and up to 40 minutes of 8K without an external fan. But there is a dark side to